Hey everyone, it's Grandpa Dypto who loves to talk about crypto. So I learned that yesterday a few meme coins were made relating to me and to Dypto Crypto. Now, we're an education site and our very firm policy is never to offer financial advice ever, which means, of course, we will never endorse any coins or tokens. But it's so great to see all of the support and appreciation coming in, and for that, please know how grateful we are. See, we started Dypto Crypto to make it as easy as possible for people to understand cryptocurrency, blockchain, and DeFi, and why it has become such a big part of the financial industry. We try very hard to make complex topics easier to understand, hoping we can make people or help people make better decisions for themselves. And meme coins do have a place in the crypto world, and we try to explain the risks. So while we'll never suggest or recommend purchasing any meme coins, we will point out that they can be a good way for newbies to get their feet wet, since buying meme coins can be a very inexpensive way to get into the crypto world. Bottom line is, thank you most sincerely.